Hi y'all, I just want to show you a way of how you can win the morning so you can go win the day.
And as you inhale and exhale, just scanning the body, checking in. Notice if there's any areas that feel tense or still sleepy. See if you can send breath to those areas.
Step 1. When I first wake up, I immediately get to doing some breath work. Why? Because it activates the nervous system. 2, it's a natural energy booster. And 3, it opens up my lungs and diaphragm and gets me going for the day. And then I hop into the shower. Why? Because the morning shower cleanses your nighttime sweats and oils that your body creates when you're sleeping. And it creates a psychological fresh start for you to start your day. And since it's sort of, I guess, winter, spring in Hong Kong at the moment, it's a bit chilly. I've been having a hot water shower. So by having the hot shower, it relieves your muscle tension and it gets your blood circulation going. And then why I ended off with a cold shower? Because it stimulates your nervous system and it gives you the biggest dopamine hit ever. And then I chuck on some clothes and I get outside and I start heading towards the Harbourside Park. Go for my 30-minute walk. Because going for a morning walk every day actually lowers your blood pressure. 1, boosts metabolism. 2, improves your heart health. 3, and it's known to lower your cortisol, which is your stress hormones, reduce anxiety, improve mood. So basically, you're doing everything you can to start your day right. By that time, I'm here. And then I had a banana, and then I get into this bad boy, which is just some coconut water. So back at home, loved coffee. Coffee was everywhere, same as Hong Kong. But I didn't want to need caffeine to be awake. So instead, I do what I just told you. Get up, breath work, shower, go for a walk. But then, that's when I get thirsty. So I go to the coconut water instead. Because it's a natural energy booster. It rehydrates you after a big night of sleep. And then I usually just stand by the harbour side and I literally just stare at these waves. So watching these rhythmic movement produces a meditative state to your body. It actually signals your brain that you're safe and it triggers a mode that leads to reduction in heart rate and lower blood pressure. Who would have thought looking at some waves, just a simple task like that, do things to your body that people have medications to do? By this time, we start making our way back home.
Alright now, I'm gonna have some brekkie. Firstly, some blueberry, a little rinse. Just bought this. Overnight oats that I prepared earlier. Show you here. Milk. And then this here. And then there's me baby food. High protein pack, nutrition. Breakfast. to get your day started.
We're currently going to a waterfall. Actually only about half an hour away from the city centre. It's a really nice spot. It's a blend of nature and modern. We've hopped up the bus and we are getting closer. I believe it's only a 5-minute walk. It's a cracker. I've been here before and I didn't want to leave. By the way, we're currently in the southwest side of the Hong Kong island. There's the map, there's the Hong Kong island. We are currently here. Tell you what, I've picked a bloody good day to come do this. See those chimney looking things? That's that Llama Island that I was at last week. Oh, in that video, couldn't really see much, it was a bit overcast, but that's literally how close we are. So I'll show you this building, just remember it. No! Oh, lucky I'm going that way. We're on a mission here. Are you guys ready? And that is why it's one of my favorite spots to come to. So last time I was here, water was only up to there. There was none of this, as you can see. It was just pretty dry last time. But we'll make it out to there's this little hut over here. There's glass everywhere and I'm barefooting. Oh no. It seems like an old, I don't know, like a war bunker or something, or back in the day when the Japanese took over Hong Kong, or when the British colonized it. Maybe it's a little, I don't know. The fishing net in, the homeless people. Have a go at the view. Would you catch the sun? Oh, you won't catch the sunset here, unfortunately. Not in this hut, at least. But I believe if you worked around here, you would most likely be able to see it. Just see. Yeah, if you worked around a bit more, I reckon you'd be able to see it, or maybe even there. Could be wrong. There's only one way to find out. I'm gonna come back here one afternoon. Glass, glass, glass. Ah! Bloody hell. That one hurt. Ah! Such an idiot. Oh, glass, glass. Ah! Try to go back up and I'll see where that is looking down. I presume it'll be a pretty nice view, but I've got a pretty damn good view right here. And if you walk along here, got a really chill ocean side, but unfortunately there's a lot of rubbish. Have a look. There's just bottles everywhere, man. Sort of a bird. I'm gonna try sneak up on it. Hopefully it doesn't run away. It's going further and further. Oh, there it goes. It's got such a nice colour on it. It's like one of those stuffy with that dark greyish coat. It's got exactly that same colour. Never seen a bird that's got that colour. But yeah, I'm coming back. It was literally half an hour journey from leaving my house to get here. So I'm coming back. I'm gonna clean all this shit up. I want others to come here and get to, enjoy it and not be saddened by the fact that there's rubbish everywhere. So as long as the next person who comes here is going to be, you know, they get to truly enjoy this spot. This describes Hong Kong perfectly. High rises with a touch of nature, and they're both in the same shop. Goodbye, my friend. Rouge. Just go on POV mode again. I'm gonna go have a look at this. Waterfall from the top. I dare say it'd be a bloody nice view. And voila. Go down there too. There it is. There's that backdrop. And that's it. We are back. So I was just making my way back over to the bus stop. Ran into this guy that's painting. That's that. Mate. It's like a traditional type of painting where they just mix ink and water and then slowly go at it. Wow, what a wholesome encounter that was. I ended up talking to him for about 40 minutes and he showed me some of his drawings, more of it. He talked about life, how he moved from mainland down to here. And yeah, I just couldn't believe how good he was at drawing, to be honest. And he was really like humble about it. Well guys, I'll let you guys enjoy this view to wrap up this week's video. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you in next week's video.